welcome back to Jim Builds. It's been ages. I am really sorry for that. Time's just got away from me last couple of months. Things have been pretty busy at work, but also busy for myself because I've decided to start my own business. Yeah, me. I don't know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm making, and that is, it's parts for the Cortina. So if you've got Mark 1 Cortina, please check out my new website. Also made a new website. Basically, these are parts that I have made for my Cortina that have worked well, and I can make them for other people. And I'll show you some of them right now. So starting at the front, we've got these indicator wiring plugs. They just go straight in. I can do those in grey or black. I've also made filler caps for the Burman steering box. Apparently these also fit Alfa Romeo, so if you've got an Alfa Romeo as well, you know. I'm also making the wiring boots for the indicators. I'll put a picture up here now, but because they're really hard to show, and that took me a while to get that right, but I'm happy with how it's come out. Got the Speedo grommet. These normally have to be cut to get the cable to go through, because they're no longer put on when the cables are made. So you'll see just here there is a fine line, and that is a pre-made cut that actually self seals as it's pushed into the panel. So what this means is you haven't got to cut a grommet, glue it and whatever else. This is actually shaped in a way that it will push against itself. I've been using this for over a year now and not had any problems with leaks, so quite a good one. And finally, this one's coming soon. I'm just making a few changes to the program. But this is the wiring plugs. I've made my own. I've got this one here that's fitted. Yeah, so these are the block connectors, so they fit together quite nicely. Just finishing off how I want them quality wise, but I think I'm about there. These will also be supplied with the bullet connectors that you need to put these together, because they are a particular size. And all these parts that I've shown you are made from TPU, which is a polyurethane type printable filament that is good for chemical resistance and perfect for these sorts of jobs. Like I say, I've been using all these parts first. I wouldn't just put something out there without trying it myself. But if you also want to support the channel but you don't have a Mark 1 Cortina, start selling stickers, and they're also available on the website. But please check out the website, let me know what you think. You don't have to buy anything, it'd be nice if you did, because everything that's all the proceeds are going to be used to develop more parts, and I have a plan for the Cortina moving on, which I'll be discussing in a video very soon. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Hope you've all been well, and please, if you haven't already, like, share and subscribe.